How to get Life360 on PC. So the method 1 is to using the Life360 website, which is the simplest method. Just access the Life360 on a PC and then open the web browser, go to the website, and log in with your Life360 account details to view your circle's activity. Now you want to use the method 2, which is using an Android emulator. So this method allows you to run the full mobile app on your PC and requires installing extra software. So first things first is to download an Android emulator by choosing an emulator like BlueStacks, Nox Player, or LD Player. Then you want to install the emulator. Follow the on-screen instructions to install it on your PC. Then you want to open the emulator, launch the emulator, and sign into Google Play Store within it. Then you want to install the Life360, so just search Life360 on the Play Store and install it. Then lastly is you can use the Life360 by opening the app from the emulator's interface and logging into your account. And then lastly is the method 3, using a desktop app wrapper or a web catalog. So first things first is download the web catalog desktop. Just visit the web catalog website and now download the desktop application for your operating system. Then you want to install the web catalog. So after you install the web catalog, install the downloaded application and find and install the Life360 by opening the web catalog, search for Life360 and install it as a desktop app.